Good afternoon from Imagine Homes Realty. It is the Friday before Father's Day, and as is my tradition, to put all the names of all of our dads in my database into this little hopper and pick one lucky dad to win this year's prize. Usually we give a portable barbecue so you can have it for tailgating and your summer fun. This year we decided to give something a little more pandemic worthy, and this year it's a Blackstone grill. So, who is our lucky dad? From all the dads in our database, it's gonna be Wade Baxter. Well, happy birthday and happy Father's Day, Mr. Baxter. Pretty soon you're gonna find a Blackstone grill right there on your front porch. Enjoy your weekend, everybody, and have a great Father's Day.